Ever dream about smoking an entire chicken at your place? Well, stick around, because we're going to be making that dream come true today. Welcome back to Impossibly Kosher, your favorite spot for all things delicious, homemade, test reviews, whatever you want to call it. Today we're tackling a full, delicious, juicy smoked chicken on the Yoder Smoker's YS640S Pellet Grill. Trust me, this is going to be epic. First off is cleaning. Just like any other kitchen tool, a clean tool is a happy tool. We're giving ours a good vacuuming out to ensure a nice clean smoke result throughout the cook. Everything's clean and we're ready to roll. Reassembly is extremely easy. Adding back on the diffuser plates and the grates, and we get started. Now here's where the real fun begins. Identifying the flavor profile we're going to be going for that chicken. I'm going to be using apple pellets by Bear Mountain on this cook. They give a fantastic sweet and fruity smoke, which pairs perfectly with the chicken. Hey, here's a pro tip. You can get 20% off on Bear Mountain pellets by using our code Impossibly Kosher, somewhere over there. And I'll leave it in the description section too, if you want to go check them out. So on this cook, I'm actually going to be throwing in some Camp Chef char wood pellets as well. That gives a little bit of the taste of charcoal, which I absolutely love, which I find sometimes the pellet grill could be missing. The smoky robustness of char wood and the sweetness of apple is a match honestly made in like barbecue heaven or something. All right, everything's set up. Let's fire up the grill. So the Yoder's pellet grills has that access control system. It's user-friendly, it's a nice display, and it's easy to use. Their grills are built like tanks, so this is going to be lasting a lifetime, and really it gives a great result in terms of temperature control. With chicken, I want to infuse as much smoke as I can, so we're going to be doing a low and slow smoke today. That means in this case 250 Fahrenheit. Pellets are going to start to be fed from the hopper into the firebox. You leave the grill open until you start to see smoke. Once you do, you add the hood back onto the diffuser plate, you get your grates back, and you close the hood. Now while she's warming up, let's prep our bird. First step is always to pat it dry. By patting it dry, it helps the rub stick onto it, and it's going to also help with getting a bit of a crispier skin. The rub I'm going to be using is a simple one, but it's a mighty one. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a heaping tablespoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Guys, trust me, baking powder is what's going to help crisp up that skin like crazy. Now you mix everything up and your rub is ready to go. Now it's time for a little extra love. On whole chicken, I like to stuff the cavity. In this case, I'm going to be using an onion and a couple of garlics. You can actually put a whole lemon in there. It gives a beautiful citrus flavor as well. Now from high up, I'm going to be sprinkling on the rub onto the chicken, making sure it's fully covered. Top, bottom, sides, and in the cavity as well. Trust me, it's going to make a world of difference in the end result. Rub that spice mix all over and make sure she's fully dressed for the barbecue party. Getting a meter probe in the breast for precision and setting the target temp for 165 Fahrenheit in the meter app directly. And now it's showtime. The grill is hot, chicken's ready, let's get her in. I'm putting it on the top left shelf today away from the smokestack, which is the hottest area. I want it to cook a bit slower. We got the lid down and now we let the smoke do its magic. Patience, my good friends, good things take time. So while we wait, what do you think so far? Do you think the smoke is going to actually have a flavor on this chicken? Is it going to live up to my expectations? Keep watching to see the big reveal. And there you have it. I bet you can almost smell the aroma through the screen. Looks great, doesn't it? Time to safely remove the grill's probe. Careful, it's hot. That's why I'm using the prongs. And just look at that chicken. Can't you just taste the flavor? Ah, that one was incredible. Crispy skin, smoky aroma, neighbors coming in asking, whoa, what are you cooking? Whoa, what are you cooking? Now that's what I've been waiting for. Well, the food, not the neighbors part. Now remember, good things take time. Slow smokes will allow you to get a better smoky flavor in the end result. And with my Yoder, it's easy, it's simple, it's a set it and forget it kind of thing, and I never have issues. So tell me, did you enjoy this little journey? If yes, let me know by hitting that like button. If no, let me know in the comment sections why. Also, have an idea for another cool recipe? Let me know in the comment section too. And guys, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss out on the other cookouts we're having this summer. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, keep trying new things, but most importantly, keep those grills hot. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. But until then, take care and happy grilling.